Alright, so I guess I'm gonna probably be making a part 2, I guess. Had to cut it short on the other one, so. Anyway, went ahead and let this set for about an hour, 2 hours, and now I'm gonna go back and tighten them all down. Circle to crisscross pattern. Just go ahead and tighten it all down, and once I get that done, then I can go ahead and go down at the bottom and get that snugged up. So let's get that started now. So let's give that gasket time to set. Having to use a different wrench on this ratchet because I can't find what I'm looking for since my other ratchet's messing up. Go figure. Alright, so I'm going to start here in the center. That's good. Now you don't want to tighten these so much that you end up breaking it, or tighten them so much that it ends up stripping out. I mean, you don't have to go freaking gorilla on these bolts, but they do need to be tight. So I went top, bottom, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to this top right. I'm going to come down here to the bottom left. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to crisscross them. I've got a torque wrench, but I gotta get some batteries and stuff for it. So I'm having to basically fill the torque. I'm gonna come back up here. Well, no, I'll come back on this side. Wait a minute. No. Oh no. Actually, I'm gonna get me a extension. Okay, got my extension. Back on this bolt. come back up here on this one. Like I said, I don't want to tighten them so damn much to end up stripping it, because this is just aluminum heads. But tighten them enough that they're not going to go anywhere or come loose. Now, once you get all those tightened up like that, what I like to do is I like to start from the middle again and basically just double check, make sure that one's tight, and then come back, tighten up the far right one over here, and then come back, tighten this one up, go down to the middle and do the same thing. That way it just kind of ensures that, you know, basically that everything is tight. Just kind of double check, because at that point it really don't matter, you know, at that point, because everything's already tight at that point. All right, now I get the... Okay, that one's good. That one's good. That one's good. That one's good. The extension. All right, that one's good. Come on. I probably should have left the extension on that one, knowing that I'm having to work on the bottom. Come on, get on there. Now then. Okay, so that one's good. They're all good and tight. So I would probably say for these bolts, for the exhaust is, I don't know, I would probably route it to 20, 25 foot-pounds, give or take. So maybe 30 at the most, but no more than that. And then the next step is doing the bottom.